Suffering from fibromyalgia, chronic pain syndrome, or neuropathy, you may get the benefits from a machine called the 𝗬𝗓 machine. I've used lots and lots of 𝗬𝗓 machines with my clients and they get phenomenal results. So let me show you this picture and I can explain what you're looking at. So right here, what you're looking at in this picture is down below there, you see this person's feet. That's in the 𝗬𝗓 machine. Now what the 𝗬𝗓 machine does is it moves your feet back and forth like this. Now what I want to go over are the amazing benefits that you get from using a 𝗬𝗓 machine. So the 𝗬𝗓 machine moves your legs back and forth roughly 144 times per minute. So your whole feet are moving back and forth at a rate of 144 times per minute. Now what this does is 15 minutes on the 𝗬𝗓 machine is like taking a 90-minute walk. Now what are the benefits from using the 𝗬𝗓 machine? Number one is it's going to relax your muscles and your nerves. Number two, it increases the energy flow down there. Number three, it increases oxygenation and blood flow deep into the tissues. Number five is this is going to cause global oxygenation in your body. So if you're suffering from fibromyalgia, chronic pain syndrome, or neuropathy, you want to try a 𝗬𝗓 machine. Go on Marketplace, find a used one. It's very, very cheap, and this could be very, very beneficial for your healing. If you've enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.